On October 13, 2025, officers get called to a bar after a woman refuses to pay her tab, refuses to leave, and demands more drinks. This is what body camera captures next.
There's a lady that's saying, huh? Alright, did you ask her to leave?
We actually asked her to leave numerous times, and she just didn't want to pay her tab. And we told her, hey, listen, you have two options: either pay your tab or we call the cops.
Okay.
Numerous times.
How much is her tab?
I don't know exactly. That's why I'm trying to wait for Dylan. He's actually the one that's on the phone right now with 911.
Okay.
I was just out here to make sure she didn't walk out.
Alright, where's Dylan at?
Dylan is in here right now. Actually right there with the orange shirt.
Orange shirt? At the bar?
Inside. Right there.
I see him. Hey, how are you? Did they ask you to leave? Did they ask you to leave? Did they ask you to leave? They asked you to leave. Okay. Have you paid your bar tab yet? Did you order anything? You did. Did you pay for it? You've already paid for it. So if I talk to this gentleman right here, he's going to tell me that. You paid for it. Okay. Give me a second. Hey. So she's saying that she's already paid her tab.
She had one tab, she paid it, but now she has another tab and she's not paying it.
Okay, so she ordered something, closed her tab, ordered something else. How much does she owe?
She owes $8.56.
$8.56.
We told her she could leave open a tab if she loses the card. She wants to walk away from the card. She doesn't want to do that. She's just being very argumentative. So I'm like, okay, you have two choices. You're going to pay your tab, or you're going to get the cops called on you because you're trying to walk out on your tab. She just doesn't understand that.
Got it. All right. Can you print out a receipt for her tab that she currently owes? He's saying that you owe $8.56. All right. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to pay that. All right. And then we're going to leave. Because they're telling you that you have to leave. It's a private establishment. They're telling you they don't want you here. They have every right to do that. Okay? Huh? They don't need a reason. They don't want you here. That's the reason why. Okay? Here's your tab. Can you go ahead and pay that for me, please? Alright, so you realize if you don't pay the tab, you're going to go to jail, right? So go ahead and pay the tab and then you're going to leave. Because they told you to leave. Alright. What's your name? What's your name?
Ma'am, are you going to pay the tab?
Yeah. Then pay the tab and we're leaving.
Hand him your card so you can pay it.
Yep. Yeah, we're familiar. Pay your tab. Where's your card? Huh? Then pay him by cash. Whatever you got. What?
Can I order another?
No, you cannot. You're going to pay your tab and then we're going to leave.
You're being trespassed. That's why. You're being trespassed, so you're going to pay your tab. If not, you're going to go to jail for trespass after warning and for theft. Because he does not want you here anymore. He wants you trespassed. You need to leave. So you got to pay your tab. If you don't pay your tab, you'll go to jail. You have 10 seconds to make a decision. I'm going to take you to jail. Yes, really. Pay the tab and then you got to leave. No, you cannot. You can leave. Paying the tab. You got 10 seconds. I'm not going to play the game with you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to jail.
Stand up. Put your hands behind your back.
God, no.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're going to jail. I gave you several options to do it.
Oh my God! Unlock me!
Nope.
My wallet back. I'm paying this motherfucker.
If you want to pay, we'll figure it out outside. We're done.
Nobody can move
or done?
God damn, please, unlock this car.
No, you could have done this yourself.
Who's feeling good?
I gave you several opportunities, ma'am, to leave and to pay your tab. You refused. You gave me a blank stare, and you kept saying, no, you want another drink. You didn't want to leave. You're trespass. Let's trespass that morning. No.
No.
You're going to jail.
No.
Come on.
Although she's being arrested, her unpaid balance still remains. So the woman has two options: either receive a petty theft charge or simply pay her bills.
Do you want to pay the bill or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then where's the money in there so I can pay the bill? You're not going to pull away from me.
It's in my goddamn wallet.
Okay. Can we go in your wallet to pay the bill for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much is that bill?
$8.90.
$8.90?
Yeah. $8.90. Can we give him the $20 bill? So he can give you change?
First, I got over $1,000 in my pocket.
Can we give him the $20 bill? Yes.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
You're going to go to jail tonight for trespass after warning.
I'm gonna trespass.
Yes, you are. He doesn't want you here. You didn't want to leave.
I'm leaving.
I told you, so you have to pay the tab and leave, and you said
I
no.
just did.
Several times. You continued to stare at me.
You're probably trespassed from here anyway.
I would not.
You've been trespassed from everywhere.
Doesn't matter. We told you you had to leave. You said no. You want to order another drink. Several times. You said you want to order another
He's
drink.
gonna come back with a change?
While he was here too. So,
24539, is that a fear?
Thinking it's over, officers will soon face yet another challenge before they are able to leave the parking lot.
Was it worth it? You got a little buzz going?
did
Couple drinks?
you guys give him the money or?
He's gonna come back with the change.
He's coming back.
I'm gonna go put it in my car.
All right.
Why?
Trespass after warning, man.
You're gonna go for resisting too. Stop. You're gonna go for resisting too if you keep pulling away. You're just gonna keep stacking your charges. Yeah, really.
I don't have any.
You have them right now. Trespass after warning. There's a charge now. Take a seat for me. Take a seat for me. You push against me again, you're gonna add another charge. Take a seat.
I'm not pushing against.
Take a seat. Take a seat. We're done. Take a seat. Come on. You got it. Take a seat. You have 3 seconds. If not, I'm gonna. 3, 2. Make an attempt. Let's go. Make an attempt. Come on. Stop. You know how to get in the back
I'm
of a car.
disabled.
Well, come on.
You're gonna leave this guy?
Unlock me.
No. Go to jail.
What?
For what? His services.
I'm going to jail for somebody's service.
Come on, put
Help!
Come on. I need your help.
Ah, God, no!
Come on.
Yeah.
Stand up.
No.
Stand up. Put your butt all the way in. Stop falling back. Sit all the way in.
Quit abusing me.
I'm not. I'm trying to help you into the car.
No, you're not.
Yes. I tried to pick up your legs and you fell backwards. So
I'm
sit
not
up.
trying to just.
You're going to jail.
For
Not
what?
yet. Trespass after warning.
I never had a been.
Come on, take a seat. You're not that disabled. You're pulling away from me and pushing against all. No, come on. In the car. Ma'am,
I'm disabled.
take a seat inside of the car.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I
You were
can't.
sitting down at a table. You can sit the same thing as you can in here. I'll need your help picking her up then.
Okay.
Not do that.
Grab a leg. Grab a leg.
Help!
There we go. I'll hit her with resisting too. She pushed and
Resisting without.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit her with more. I'm done with the games.
This going in your car or?
Can you transport that to the PD? I'm gonna have to take her down.
Okay.
We're just gonna have to break it down, and then you'll put it in my car and we'll take her down there. I'll drive her down the county. Hey, what's her name again? Send me the DL.
She's in the house.
Oh, I'm sure. Well, I'm gonna do it for the trespass and resisting too. The whole time she's pushing, doing that, I'm done.
That was it. So,
There and that, done. As soon as I walked in, I saw her. I was like, come on, man.
Christine would have came.
Yeah.
Rest of the probably thrown out. Does she need this, the transport thing?
That can go if I'm taking her, I think.
"55-year-old Christine is charged with trespass after warning and resisting arrest without violence. Under Florida Statute 810.09, a person commits trespass after warning when they remain on property after being warned to leave by the property owner, an employee, or a law enforcement officer. This is a second-degree misdemeanor with up to 60 days in jail, up to a $500 fine, and up to 6 months of probation. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence is a misdemeanor and takes place when a person knowingly resists, obstructs, or opposes an officer without physical violence. This can look like someone pulling away, stiffening arms, refusing to sit in the patrol car, refusing to put hands behind their back, placing legs to block the door closing, and other methods of refusing to comply during handcuffing. Maximum penalties for this are up to 1 year in jail, up to a $1,000 fine, and up to 12 months of probation. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Alright.
Why?
Trespass after warning, man.
You're gonna go for resisting too. Stop. You're gonna go for resisting too if you keep pulling away. You're just gonna keep stacking your charges. Yeah, really.
I don't have any.